Hi, this is Dan Smith of DPS Legal Counsel, and welcome to today's episode of Business is More Exciting Than Any Game. Today I'm going to talk about trademarks. You may or may not have heard, but Fox Media, the entertainment company, recently filed an application on an intent to use basis, which means they're not presently using this trademark, but they have an intent to use it. Basically, it's like reserving the right to this trademark if they end up using it, to the trademark OK Boomer. Now, OK Boomer is a meme that has now gotten to be popular. It's gone viral through the country, and essentially it's a phrase that's used by a younger person, maybe a millennial generation person or a Generation Z person, to a baby boomer person, to basically say, okay, we get it. It's an insult, in effect, basically saying, okay, boomer, okay, boomer. And so the phrase has been used a lot. You see it everywhere. And so Fox Media filed a trademark application to use okay, boomer for a prospective television show, which they may or may not want to put on. And so the question then arises, and since that's happened, and even I think before Fox filed this, other people have filed for use of the trademark OK Boomer for other things. Fox Media's was for a potential television show. Other people have filed a trademark application for OK Boomer for clothing, and there have been some other applications too. The question is this a good name? Is this a good trademark? Is this the kind of thing that the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office may likely grant to Fox Media or to some of these others who have sought to get trademark protection for the phrase OK Boomer? And the answer is that this is probably not a good trademark. This is probably not something that the USPTO is going to grant rights to Fox Media. The reason is that in order to get trademark protection, you cannot have a trademark in a word or phrase that has become essentially a viral phrase used throughout society, or to make a statement or a message, a social message or political message. The reason being that the whole concept of having a trademark is to identify the source of goods or services, to identify source. And because a particular word or phrase has become viral in the society and is used to put forth a message, a social or political message, it makes it essentially inconsistent with that word or phrase identifying the source of goods or services. It's essentially a viral, meme-like message, phrase that's used in all kinds of contexts to promote or provide a social or political message, and it doesn't really go to the source of goods or services. And so typically when someone tries to trademark a phrase like that, the USPTO will just not grant rights in it because of the fact that it is a common phrase in society, and so it's not really subject to having trademark rights granted in it. So we'll see if the USPTO does act in Fox Media's favor, but my guess is they probably won't. But the moral of the story for small business owners and entrepreneurs who are seeking trademark protection for a trademark to identify the source of their goods or services is this: don't select something that is a hot, viral phrase or a series of words or a meme to identify your goods or services, because it's unlikely that the USPTO is going to grant you a trademark in that phrase. Okay, hope that helps, and we'll see you next time.